Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video today. What you can see with this video is we have some very deep-seated dry earwax that's sitting just in front of the eardrum. A gentleman came into clinic. He's been suffering with quite a bit of hearing loss on this one particular side. He's been using Q-tips quite regularly, which is the reason that this wax has been pushed in as deep as it has. It's always very difficult to do a deep extraction like this, and the endoscope that we use to get the view in here allows us to do this really deep work in the ear canal and get a good visualization of this this particular part of the wax. So we're using a standard size ulnar tube, not to remove the wax as such. What I'm trying to do at the moment is just try and get enough of a leading edge on the wax that we can go in and use a set of crocodile forceps to remove this. The reason that I'm trying not to remove it with the suction is it's very difficult when it's this hard and this flat to get a really good suction grip on the wax. So we're just going in with the crocodile forceps now. We've got a bit of a leading edge. Unfortunately, as we're pulling it, it's not ready to come out just yet. So little pieces broken off of the main bulk of wax there. So we're just going to go back in with a standard ulnar now. We're really trying just to loosen this wax as much as we can, but also being very careful because you can see just how close the eardrum is behind that section of wax there. So we're working very close to the drum, so be very gentle. Just trying to loosen this wax from all edges of the ear canal, just to allow us to try and maneuver this out with the crocodile forceps in a second. Just trying to really loosen all the different sections of that wax there. You can just see it starting to lift a little bit. Now what you can see as I'm pulling here, we can just see it's just pulling on the bottom portion of the ear canal there, just where it meets the eardrum. So we don't want to do any more work like that, so we're just going to use the crocodile forceps to try and get a grip. Unfortunately, another piece is broken off. You can just see all the little hairs that are embedded in this wax. You can see it's been pushed in quite deeply. So I'm just going to attempt again. We're going to be very careful the forceps don't push too hard. There we go. Brilliant. So that's now come out. There's a couple of little stray hairs here in the top right hand corner, so we're just going to nip in and get the worst of those away. But you can see the ear canal itself looks quite red, a little bit of aggravation near the eardrum. So we're just going to get these couple of hairs away, not a major job, this is just taking a few extra bits away from. Just loosening some of this dry wax. This isn't going to cause any problems as far as his hearing is concerned. We can see the eardrum, it's looking really healthy, well not healthy, but you can get a good visualization of it. It's looking a little bit red at the moment, but that wax has been literally sitting on top of it, so just a bit of dry skin there just to remove. Yeah, just take those couple of pieces away. Just use the largest ulnar just to take this one large piece of skin. I'm happy once this has come out. The patient doesn't need any more wax removal following this. And there we are, there's the eardrum. If you like our video, then please obviously share, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching and take care.